Would you like to know how to earn $5 in less than a minute? Yes, and just by drawing squiggly lines. It's a red line and a green line, and you only need to draw two. Before I do that, I'm going to show you where you can sell them to, because basically what I'm going to show you is how to remove the background from a photo. So if you head over to Fiverr with two R's, you can sell any service on the planet. But today we're just looking at remove the background from photos. And all you do is you head over to Fiverr and put remove background from photo. This one here looks quite good and he does it in 2 hours. Okay, so how to make your offer the best? Have a look through them. For instance, this one will do it in 2 hours. That's his speciality. One image in 2 hours. Okay, and £4.21 is obviously $5. And then he's just, and you need a catchy thumbnail type photo. So he's a good one to do. So he does it in 2 hours, but this one will do it in 2 days. So which one would you rather have, girl or boy, whoever's watching? But he looks quite a cool dude, and he's matched it. He even matches the colour, look. So without further ado, I shall show you the program I use to remove the background from the photo. But I'd love it if you would shout out to down below, write which country that you're actually watching from, because I'd love to know where you're from, and then I can try and find things in your country that helps you make money. So let's carry on with the lesson. I have to go over to Clipping Magic and upload an image, because I was going to do it from scratch. Clipping Magic, upload image. I think I want to play with Victor today. Victor forever. So, the cool looking dude in the pink tie. You have to watch my interview with him, it was hilarious. So, all you need to do is look at these ones here. It's green already. So the green means keep. So I'd like to keep the lovely Victor in his pink tie. And all you have to do is a vague outline of what you want, which is head and shoulders. And that's what I want to keep. Okay. Then I want to delete all the rest of this. So where's his shoulder? So it goes from here to there, to there. Whoop, whoop. Right, whoops. I need to scroll down. Oops, scroll down a little bit. And then go all around this lovely little head. And oops, I've done it wrong. So let's go back to the green one. There. Don't you think it looks perfect? That took 20 seconds or less. Then all you need to do is download it. Because I've actually done a few practice ones and it says subscribe to download. So all you have to do is, actually it's probably just going to download. There you have it, guys. Wasn't that easy? Less than 10 seconds. Less than, well, it took about 20 seconds, didn't it, for this? So head over to Fiverr, head over to Fiverr, head over to Clipping Magic, and go and weave your magic so you can get $5 for less than a minute's work. And if you did 10 minutes, that's $50. But if you'd like to earn, well, that's like trading time for money. if you'd like to earn a passive income, click the link below and I'll see you on the inside. See you on the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, because you will get notified every single time I come up with an idea to help you make money. See you on the next video. Bye, guys.